Hello guys, my name is Avinash. Welcome back to the channel. So today we will gonna discuss about front-end interview questions. So in the front end we will cover up the HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React. So these are the main question which is asked into the interview. So we will gonna look at that, and this video will be gonna be a faceless video as the previous video, and also this video will gonna be a short video. So quickly I will show you what are the questions I have mentioned into this PDF. So right, so these are the top 10 HTML interview question which is asked into the front end interview. So what is the top type in HTML5? When you click on this you will get the answer into the details, and if you wanted to deep dive into the answer then you can refer the link. So this is the how I have created this Notion document for preparing to the interviews. Now what is the difference between the div and the span in HTML? So here I have mentioned the answer as well as I have dropped the link to the answer. So what is the semantic tags and non-semantic tags in the HTML? So here same also same. I have mentioned the answer, so include the link. What is the difference between the HTML and HTML5? So right, yeah, with the answer mention the link. What is the iframe tag in HTML5? What are the formatting tags in the HTMLs? Alright, what is the difference between the bold and strong in HTML5? What is the viewport attribute in HTML? So right, what is attribute in HTML? What is the block level and inline element in HTML? So this is the most famous popular question, and you can simply close this. So when you just click on this, all the question related to the HTML will close. Now we will look to the CSS interview question. So these are the top even CSS interview question which is asked into the interview. What is the difference between CSS and CSS3? So we have in detail given the answer, and if you wanted to check out the official source you can check out by this, and if you just wanted to read the answer then you can read by what is the selector in CSS. So these are the types of selector. What is a media query in CSS? Alright, what is the different position in CSS? So these are the some of the question which is regularly, which are a very common question and which is must ask if you are a fresher and giving the interview. What is the difference between pixel unit M and RAM and CSS? What is the flexbox in CSS? What is the pseudo selector in CSS? How to make the website responsive? What are the breakpoint of viewport responsive device? Why we use box sizing in CSS? So right, these are the question which is for the CSS. So just by clicking on this you will close this. Now we will come to the JavaScript. So JavaScript is the most popular language, and in the front end interview JavaScript is the most important. uh, so you must have to create the JavaScript well so you can answer the theoretical question as well as practical coding questions. So your JavaScript knowledge should be a good to crack the interview. So we will not gonna open up the all the answer, we just gonna look at the question and answer. So what is the ECMAScript in JavaScript? What is the difference between let, const and var? What is the spread operator, rest operator and default parameter? What is promise, callback function, async await in JavaScript? What is difference between promise and callback in JavaScript? What is event bubbling and event capturing in JavaScript? What is higher order function in JavaScript? Explain different two types of function in JavaScript. Why we use call, apply, bind method in JavaScript. How many way to create object in JavaScript. What is the prototype inheritance in JavaScript? What is TypeScript? What are the array method, string method? What is the difference between Java and JavaScript? What is the throttling and debouncing in JavaScript? What is null and undefined in JavaScript? What are the false value in JavaScript? What is the execution context, event loop, stack call queue, microtask queue in JavaScript? What is the set timeout and set interval in JavaScript? What is object.sil, object.freeze in JavaScript? What is the difference between map and set in JavaScript? What is a weak map and weak set in JavaScript? What is a session storage, local storage, cookie? Write a program to sort an array. What is the use of JSON stringify and JSON pass method in JavaScript? What are the map filter reducer in JavaScript? What is generate and function in JavaScript? How to stop event propagation in JavaScript? What is a closure in JavaScript? What is a housing in JavaScript? What is dead zone in JavaScript? What is a function currying in JavaScript? What is a mutation observer in JavaScript? What is a memorization in JavaScript? So these are the top common JavaScript interview question. Now we will look at to the React question. So how many questions are there? So there are 33 questions. So we will just read very quickly. What is a React? What is the difference between virtual DOM and shallow DOM? What is a control and uncontrolled component? What is a hook? What is a JSX, Pebble and Webpack? What is Redux? What is reducer action store in Redux? What is a middleware in Redux? Explain data flow in Redux. What is a Redux tongue? What is a Redux saga? Difference between Redux tongue and Redux saga. Difference between class component and function component. How can we implement component will unmount in function component? Use effect, use state, use memo, use callback, hooks in details. Explain life cycle method in React. What is the difference between export default and export in React? What is a portal in JavaScript? I'm sorry, React. What is a reconciliation in React? What is a use ref in React? What is a server side rendering in React? What is a use strict in React? What is a fragment? What is a React router? What is a node module? What is a default local host server in port in React? How can we change local server port? What is a higher order component in React? What is a pure component? What is the difference between state and props in React? How to optimize React? What is the difference between React and Angular? What is the prop drilling in React and how to overcome it? What is the context API in React? What is a super constructor render function in React? So guys, these are the React question. Now we will look at the program. So whenever you attend the interview, they will ask you to write some program. So these are the common program which I have collected. This is not sure like this will be asked, but this is the common. You just can just go through it once. Write a program to find element occurrence in array. Write a program to remove duplicate item from array. Write a program for following output using a arrow function. And so yeah, polyfill method for map filter and reduce. So things like this can be asked, and these are the master link for the React question. So when you just click on, I'm sorry, what happened? Why it got disconnected? I don't know that. It got disconnected, guys. I'm sorry for that. So it's connecting. It will be connecting in few seconds. So right guys, you can check out this GitHub React interview question. You can check out the JavaScript interview question as well. And so guys, that's it for now. If you have any question regarding to the interview, especially front end interview, you can drop the comment. You can reach out to me via the Twitter, LinkedIn, or you can drop your comment into the comment section in YouTube, as well as you can join our Discord community and you can ask whatever the doubt you have, and I will reply you into the detail into the Discord community. So that's it for now. We will soon we will publish release a podcast into the our channel, surely by the weekend. Currently I am busy much with my company's work, so I'm not able to post a video regularly as I have lots of work pressure and all that. So guys, if you have anything to ask, just drop down the comment and either reach out me via Discord will be the best for you if you have a genuinely doubt about anything. And yeah, that's it for now. Like, share, subscribe, and guys, if this video is useful to you, helpful to you, please, I will say, like this video, share and subscribe. This will be a give me a motivation to provide a quality content to you, and it will provide me a motivation to keep going on this channel. So yeah, I will see you into the next video.